The best strategy to find profitable KDP niches fast and free. We need only one tool, and this tool is AMZ Suggestion Expander. As you can see here, this is the tool. So for example, if you type something in the Amazon search, it will expand the suggestion to keywords before, keywords after, and others, so that let you know more options and more keywords. And this tool is completely for free. There is a pro version actually, but the standard version, the free version, is enough for us. So just go to Google and type AMZ Suggestion Expander, and then add this tool to your Chrome browser. After that, type any type of low content or medium content. For example, notebook, logbook, coloring book, any big niche that have many sub niches. So for example, I will go to logbook, just logbook, and as you can see and as you know, the profitable niche, especially for beginners, have two conditions or two things we must look at. First of all, the search results must be or should be less than 2000 or less than 1000, so it will be low competition. And also we want high demand. So for example, the ranking is less than 300,000, less than 200,000, and so on. So for example, this niche 790,000, 40, 12, these are all good ranking, so the demand is very high, but also the competition is very high. So how can we find a niche that has low competition and high demand? So by using this tool, just type on the search bar, then you can see there is keywords before and keywords after in the green and others. So if we go to the before, baby logbook, for example, this one, it will be opened in another tab. So as you can see, baby logbook has 3000 results, so still kind of a lot of competition. And if we see the demand, the ranking is very good, very low, 34, 22, 7, 23. So the demand is very high, but also the competition kind of high. So let's delete this and go back here. Baby logbook, high competition. So let's move to exercise logbook. Oh my god, 345 results only. So this is a really low competition. Only 345 books in this sub niche. And if we see the demand, we must see the ranking. Maybe no one buy this. The ranking maybe is very high in millions or no ranking. So let's see. Oh, 1000, 1600, 11,000, 2027, 1000. Anything below 300,000 is very good. 425, 28. Oh my god. Almost all of them has a very good ranking. And if we see this one, 1206, and we go to the TSR calculator and we type, what was the number? 1206. 1206, and its book calculate sales every month, 1900 sales. So he's probably making 4000, something like this, or maybe more, because it's $13.99. So yeah, only from the second option, this option, we find a very good niche, and we can continue all here, and the keywords after also, and the others also. So there's a lot of niches, and you can filter them easily. You don't have to go to a spreadsheet or to write them down in a notebook or in Excel. No, it's free and fast and comfortable. So for example, we found this niche. So if we go, for example, the first one, the best-selling one, this one, the I know it's a little bit, I don't know how to say it, but I noticed that the swearing word, the funny things on the cover, it sells very, very good. So try to do that also. So yeah, exercise logbook is a very, very good niche. Okay, let's continue. For example, blood pressure logbook 1000. It's also very good search results. 1000 less than that is a very, very good. And the ranking, as you can see, just a moment. So for example, all my blood pressure shit. So swearing word, so it must be good ranking. Yeah, 67, 105, 125, also high demand. So people is buying these kind of books, these kind of logbooks. And as you can see, it's not that hard to create. So if we go there for this one, for example, and we look inside it, a basic cover design, and then this table, and it's repeated all over and all over the book. So this sheet, you can create it on Canva for free and replicate it for 100 times or whatever your page count. And yeah, the competition is low, only 1000, and the ranking is very, very good. So people buying it, and there is no much competition. So yeah, this is the way. And for example, if we go even to a medium content book, so for example, the coloring book, if you type only coloring books, let's see the result, 80,000 results. So this is this is crazy competition. So it's very, very hard for you to compete all of these, especially if you are a beginner. So what's the solution? The solution is to type here, and you have this tool. So let's see, for example, teen coloring book, magic coloring book, small coloring book. So let's go to the magic coloring book. So yeah, only 1000 results. This is very good. Only 1000. And look at the ranking, 8, 116, 41. Very good ranking. So if we go to another one, for example, kawaii coloring book. So this one, 2000 results. So we can dig in more in this niche to find a mini niche on that one. The same way, the same strategy. Type 1 and you will get all of these cute and easy horror. So let's search, for example, horror kawaii coloring book. Wow, as you can see, only 483 results for this mini niches. And if you look at the ranking, 15, 1000, this is a little bit, 29, this is not good, 139, 79, so many, more than 3 good ranking. So this is also a very good niche, horror kawaii coloring book. So yeah, this is the strategy, and it's unlimited. You can spend months and years actually using this strategy, because it will not end. So for example, this niche, another niche, and then you put here another one, and here there's a lot of options. So there's many niches, and some of them is a very profitable niche more than others, especially for beginners. So yeah, this is the way you filter the niches very easily, fast and free. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.